Hey guys, ActivePet121 here, and I have done this glitch in the past few days, so I'm recording. It is super fun, and it says I'm in Candy Cove. I invited my friend, so there's two of me. I know you can't see that. 1 second. No, I just did the glitch. So I hope you like this video. It's really fun to do, and I'll see this when I post it. Okay, so say bye. Okay, so that's it for today. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you add me, I can teach you how. Thank you, and bye-bye.